Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what was in a recent Trendsend box. And if you watched my video last week, you know that in the month of August I'm doing a series where I take these items in these styled boxes and see if I can find similar items at discount stores. So look out for that video on Tuesday. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is a styling service that ships from the Evereve stores. A stylist actually, I think, goes into the stores, picks pieces for you, then they get shipped to you. They do a nice job of taking the feed of whatever you tell them you're interested in. They try to take it into account and they write a little note that sounds like they listen to you. This is my 4th Trendsend and I think I've had 4 different stylists, which is fine. You can go on to their website and either pin things, or I think there's a way you can save favorites or something. I've never done that. I just had a Pinterest board so my stylist could see what I was interested in. This time around I asked for all dresses and she sent me 6 dresses and 1 jumpsuit, which tells me that she is not 49 years old because a jumpsuit is not a dress. This is the jumpsuit. It's cute. I didn't think it fit that great on me. I also just can't. I can't wear a jumpsuit. The places where I would wear a dress are mostly to my kids' performances, and those are places where I have to be able to use a public restroom. I don't know how to use a public restroom in a jumpsuit. I'm sure when I was 25, I could have figured it out. I would have needed to figure it out fewer times than an hour or 2. That really takes this one out of the running. It is the Alison Joy CC window pane jumpsuit. She sent it in a size medium. It's made in China. It is fully lined. If you like that sort of thing, it's really not bad. It's currently full price at $78. I get great sales on the Evereve website, so it's definitely worth pinning something, looking later, see if it's gone on sale, because if you like something, you just don't like the price, you can definitely get things for a better deal. So my stylist grouped the dresses, however she grouped them, and wrote cute little notes, but I'm just going to give them to you in the order of my least favorite to most favorite. Oddly, it worked out this time that my least favorite items are the ones that are full price. That never happens. This is the most expensive piece in the box. This is the Alison Joy Haven lace dress. It sat really funny on me, but I think that might be my fault. This is a size small. I was able to get into it without needing to unzip the side zipper. I was wondering how I was going to get out of it, and then I realized it had a side zipper and I got out of it fine. So I think I might have like squished my chest down when I pulled it on. I don't look great in black. I did wear a strapless bra for the try on. Not tell her I wanted bra friendly, which I usually do. Didn't like this dress on me. It is $88. It's nicely made. This dress looked really cute on the hanger. Not so cute on me. The Alison Joy Sienna striped wrap dress. And it's kind of like a linen-y feeling fabric. And this is a size small. It was just too small on the chest. It's not a great color on me. It is 61% rayon, 39% linen, made in China. It says machine wash cold, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. It will be needed. I like the stripes, I like the colors, but maybe I don't like the colors on me. And it was $78. I feel like $78 is a lot for a dress that feels pretty like beachy, kind of casual. This one I was bummed because I loved it on the hanger, but it just does not sit right on me. Size small, Alison Joy Reese striped dress. It is $49.99. In between when I requested the box and when the box got to me, there was like a clearance going on for a few days, and Evereve will price adjust based on clearance prices and stuff on their website. So if I kept this, it would actually only be $39.99. You have to request the price adjustment, which I did. You'll see why. That was a bummer because it was cute. It's only $88. I love the colors. It feels really nicely made. Just it's too straight across. It feels funny. It just doesn't sit right on my chest. This is just a black t-shirt dress with like a knot thing in the front. It is called the Alison Joy Lexi knot dress. Again, $49.99. My price would be $39.99. But the clearance will be over by now. But keep watching. It'll go back on. I liked it on. I just don't need a black t-shirt dress. I think she said, you know, you could dress it up. I don't know. I don't know how much I want to dress up a t-shirt dress. I got a great one on the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which is a Caslon brand from Nordstrom. I got it for $25. Alison Joy embroidered midi dress. I thought about this. You know, it's a pretty dress. I don't really wear these colors very much. I thought it was kind of cute on. I don't have that much need of like a casual black dress. I feel like it's dressy enough. I feel like it's a dress for someone who likes to wear black, because it's not like it's dressier because it's black. It's dressy enough because it's black, but you could wear other colors that would be just as dressy and wouldn't wash me out quite as much. So I did like it though. The detail is nice. It looks nicely made. It is also $49.99. Originally $128. Good deal. It's 100% cotton. Machine wash inside out on gentle. Hang to dry. It says iron if needed. It will need to be ironed. It's 100% cotton. I liked it. I'm willing to bet it will be super cheap in a couple months if you're interested in it. And the last piece, a pleasant surprise. This dress was $29.99. Originally $78. My price will actually be $23.99, and I am keeping it. I don't think I would pick this off a rack to try on, so it is nice to have the styling services to kind of nudge you and, you know, maybe you kind of like something. I don't have anything that looks like it. My kids both play music. They're both in high school, and I always have concerts to go to in like May and June, and this is kind of perfect for that time of year. It's polyester. It's machine washable. I think it can tumble dry low. I don't usually tumble dry this kind of fabric because you just hang it up and walk away and it'll be dry in 15 minutes. I went into the box expecting I would just be pinning one or two things for later to see if they go on sale. My experience mostly with Trendsend's like extreme sale where dresses go down below that like $39.99 mark is that they're usually on sale for a reason. So it surprised me that the one that I liked best was the cheapest. But that made my decision really easy. I like it. I'm sure I'll get use out of it. So I think my stylist did a good job. I did mark some of these dresses on a Pinterest board and she picked some other ones for me. I think it was fun to just try all their dresses and see how different styles work on my body type. You can get into a rut of always reaching for the same design, and asking for all dresses is nice because then you just kind of go a little deeper into their inventory. And I have not yet made my discount shopping trips to find pieces like these, and wish me luck. But come back on Tuesday and see what I found. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe below. See you tomorrow!